I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the GPU and system basics, model, RAM, and power headroom, because performance depends on correct hardware and drivers. Once done, install the vendor runtime and latest drivers. Make sure CUDA or ROCm matches your framework. Then set power and PCIe settings and ensure the PSU cables are secure. These steps prevent throttling. You should also reserve a small cooling margin. A hot card will drop clocks, so prioritize adequate airflow now. Next, configure software for sustained throughput. You should set the driver to max performance and tune fan curves. This keeps clocks stable under load. Then optimize your workload. Increase batch size until RAM saturates but not OOM, and enable mixed precision to speed math with minimal accuracy loss. Profile memory and GPU utilization to find bottlenecks, and adjust data loaders and num workers so the GPU is never starved. Monitor continuously to avoid surprises. Finally, validate stability with targeted stress tests and representative benchmarks so you know real-world performance. If you encounter crashes or thermal throttling, first reduce power limit or lower core memory clocks to regain stability, and then consider rolling back drivers. These steps isolate driver versus hardware faults. Make sure to log the working configuration and schedule periodic driver and firmware updates. This keeps performance predictable and avoids regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.